Our goals are to enroll motivated students into this grant-funded program, students who are interested in not only earning their associate's degree or a certificate, but also interested in transferring to a four-year college or university. There are so many resources that we're able to provide for our students. So one of them includes advising, transfer advising, and then priority advising as well. Another thing that we will be offering are college road trips, personal development workshops focusing on leadership, financial literacy courses as well. It really is an opportunity for students to get a well-rounded experience while getting the support that they need in order to stay in college.
My experience with the TRIO program has been amazing. She has helped me with a lot of personal issues, as well as given me counsel as to how to go about my time at Lone Star. I think that other students should take advantage of this program. They really are just here to help you. And college is difficult, and maneuvering college can be extremely difficult, especially with financial aid and classes. They just provide really good information that I think anyone could benefit from.
I'm in the TRIO program because I was really struggling with finding out what university I wanted to go to and managing myself and my organization skills. And so I really wanted to get into this program because I really wanted to go to university to improve myself. And I think that's a really great accomplishment that people in my family haven't done. And so what I hope to get from this program is useful skills that I could use in order to improve my career and possibly give back to those around me.
I'm in the TRIO program because I found out I just have a hard time trying to understand things. Sometimes I have a hard time comprehending. That's what I usually struggle with. But my goal is to accomplish actually being able to focus on my studies and actually being able to overcome this problem understanding things.
I began my first semester here in 2013, but I took some time off to raise my 3 small children. I made my return back of fall 2018. The experience so far has been impeccable. It has been a confidence builder. I've learned so much about myself in the direction that I actually want to go in to achieve the goals I want to reach long-term and short-term. They've given me a lot of tools and resources that I needed to help organize and manage my time as well as my studies.
We have some students, they just want to talk. I have one of my advisors, she will be on the phone with a student for 60 to 80 minutes, and that is a really long time, right? But that's what that particular student needs. We have other students who are simply interested in the financial management. They do not want to graduate from college with a lot of debt. I often tell the story of how I graduated with $76,000 in student loans, and I still have those, right? And so we don't want our students doing that. We want them to make different decisions, smarter choices than what we've made, and the students just being able to come in and know that this is a resource for them and that we're their cheerleaders. We're the ones, in addition to their family and friends, that's pushing them to the finish line.
They understand the extra difficulties that we're experiencing because college is already difficult, and whenever you're having to perhaps balance college, financial stressors, family events, it's important to have that support, and TRIO offers that support.
Life is hard. You know, no one promised us a bed of roses, right? And so a lot of times with everything that's been going on, whether it's the pandemic or it's been Harvey or the storm, students need additional support, and we all need that additional support. So having someone that's in your corner that can encourage you when times get rough, it doesn't matter if it's something personal or something that's global that we're experiencing, it really helps for students to know that we've got their back and that they can come to us and we can help be an advocate for them should they need something on campus.
Very positive energy, awesome atmosphere, great people. I just like the vibe of it, just having people to socialize with. You know, I mean, me personally, I'm a people person, so I love to socialize with others.
Give it a try if you would like to replace your doubts with results and your fears with success.